this?
What's in there, G? Remember Kuya this too?
What? Yeah. What? Bunny Ducky. Mama, remember?
That's, what's their name? Ducky and
Bunny.
Bunny.
Ducky and Bunny are my favorite.
And who's this
characters.
one?
Duke-a-boom! Oh my gosh. Thank you. I think it's not my age.
You want me to help you?
Yeah, totally. Porky!
Okay.
Porky! Aw. See.
Duke Kaboom!
Kaboom! Ouch!
Gia, here's Ducky, Gia.
Ducky! Ducky.
They're funny, right?
Yeah, I love the part where they
Talk about the...
I like the third part when they when the grandma goes to her house,
Yeah.
has a hot tub, and after that, she goes to sleep, and after that, they just come out of nowhere, and then they just jump scare like 5 minutes to 30.
Oh, you have another Bo Peep, G.
Another Bo Peep. She has a toy Bo Peep and a costume Bo Peep.
Yeah.
Look how small she is.
Yeah, she's really tiny. She's a tiny toy.
Okay, there's
I
Buzz.
want the Duke-a-boom that just like has that pumping and it just boom and just.
It looks so tiny.
Why? Because she always stays in Bo Peep's shoulder. Come on, can you have Bo Peep?
She does?
Yeah, she does.
They're friends.
Not all the time.
Not all the time, but they just put in because she's so little.
I don't know where's his like thingy where Bunny got hurt by his foot. Well, I don't know where it is. Where Buzz thingy, like his thingy, like his Tector thingy in his face. I don't know where it's at. I've been waiting for a new Woody this time because Koi's been coloring the other Woody for the whole time. I just want a new Woody right now. Let's count the characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
And you forgot this tiny one.
Oh, look at it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. This one is Duke-a-boom. Maybe we crash.
Kaboom! This one, who's this guy?
These are my favorite characters. Bunny and Ducky, they're so funny. And in the part where they got the grandma, they're trying to get the key.
This is?
This is Bunny and Ducky.
Okay, who's this?
This is Bo Peep. Here's Giggle with pimples
Okay,
on her shoulder.
alright. And this?
This is Buzz. And here's Woody. I don't know what happened to our big Woody. Buzz too colored.
Yes.
Here's Forky. This is my also funny character because he always went to the trash. Trash. Trash.
Trash, 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 trash. Carry me.
No. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.